Many traders avoid trading with such a system, yet it offers opportunities to open low-risk trade at support and resistance level. What am I talking about? Watch this video to the end and you will get all the answers. You'll find out how much I earned starting with just $300 using a trading system based on 2 indicators. Plus, I'll reveal all the settings so you can replicate them and start making money right away. Let's get it started. Alright guys, let's add our tools. Bollinger Bands and ADX. We'll start by adjusting the setting for the first one. We need to change the period to 8. I also recommend disabling the indicator background fill. It just gets in the way. I'll set the band's color to white. Personally, it makes the chart easier to read. Okay, now let's tweak the ADX. Here we'll change both the parameters to 15 and remove the ADX line itself. We only need the DI lines. I'll make the plus DI line red so it contrasts better with the yellow one. Alright, now we're all set. Let me show you what this strategy can do. First and foremost, we are interested in the convergence and the divergence of the ADX lines. Either the red or the yellow line will always be above the other. When the red line is on top, the market is rising. You can highlight the entire area and see it clearly. Same here. This zone has the yellow line on top. There was a slight downtrend. So the ADX acts as a filter, showing us the direction we should trade in. Now we have the second indicator and gives us entry points. Look at this bounce point off the Bollinger Bands boundaries. If the asset reverses from the channel edges, it often moves in the opposite direction. When it's aligned with the ADX signal, we can successfully trade narrow price channels, like here, or enter trade during strong trend movements. There's another type of signal here, a breakout of the midline or boundary lines. That's also a reason to open the trade in the direction of the crossover. The key is that all indicators must confirm the signal simultaneously. Alright, now I'll pull up a fresh chart and show you some real trade examples. Let's go. Okay, I'm opening a short position here. Let's break down the setup. The yellow ADX line just crossed upward. At the same time, we see a bounce from the upper Bollinger Band. The midline has been broken, price pushed below the lower band, confirming bearish pressure. That's 3 confirmed reason to expect a downward trend, guys. Now, we just wait calmly for the trade to play out. Zooming out, the asset is actually in an uptrend overall, but right now it's approaching another potential bounce point upward. So context matters. We are trading a short-term pullback within a larger uptrend. Now, we just wait. Under 20 seconds to lock in profits. Almost there, guys. This was a relatively easy trade example. After this, I'll switch assets. Locking in the profit now. And yeah, a solid start, guys. Now let's move to a new currency pair. Here, I'm opening another short position. Let's analyze the situation. Overall, it's similar. The yellow ADX is on top. The asset is failing. There's a breakout beyond the channel boundaries. Earlier, the chart bounced off the upper Bollinger Band. The price action itself formed a very smooth reversal, indicating a clear change in direction. After breaking through the support line, nothing is holding the currency pair back from falling further. Okay, for now, we are trading on a green candle, but this isn't a drawback at all. Within the trend, I'm expecting a breakdown that was shown by the pattern I mentioned earlier. We are just waiting to see what develops on the new candle. And yeah, it immediately started moving in our desired direction. Now we have 2 indicators and the fundamentals of technical analysis. So we are maintaining complete calm and simply waiting for expiration. Okay, no surprises here. Closed in profits, and now it's time to switch charts. Let's see what else the market has to offer. Great trading opportunity. Let's break it down briefly. First, here's the level price is heading toward. The asset has room to fall, so we are just waiting for developments. Previously, the asset reversed twice at the upper Bollinger Band, indicating downward intention. This is exactly what's happening now, confirmed by the yellow ADX being on top. Let me add the visual level so we can clearly see our targets. I used horizontal lines, guys. They are extremely helpful tools. To learn how to place key levels and truly understand market structure, join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. There, I break down all my strategy and I focus especially on these critical trading nuances. You also find my personal trade signals, which can help you earn your first profits. Okay, we are profitable again here. Since we didn't reach my previously max level, I'll continue trading this same setup. Increase reach to $1,000. Time to push for significant results. I'm entering the market now. The target is to break through our max level, possibly going much lower. Let's see. Let's evaluate the situation on higher time frames again. Earlier, we drew our first level, but it's just the beginning. As you can see, there are much more interesting zones where price could head. By the way, we've already successfully broken through the first boundaries. Now I'll add the next one I showed previously. This is easier to see on higher time frame. Just at the horizontal line right here. Now let's return to the 1 minute chart and see how it looks. Okay, here we are currently in a strong downtrend, and now we can clearly see price destination. You will agree this makes analysis much more convenient. This is what we call market control, and I recommend adopting this approach. And there are the results. Now balance is 2,000. Perfect time to wrap up the session and summarize. I'm personally very satisfied with this trading strategy and thrilled to have shown you its effectiveness. I hope it helps each of you achieve your first profitable results. And remember, always pay attention to key levels. They will help you navigate the markets more clearly and avoid unnecessary mistakes. You got questions? You can always message me directly on Telegram. The link is in the description. You can also grab an exclusive promo code that boosts your starting deposit by 50%. Perfect for a strong and fast start. Guys, I need your help to grow our community. Smash that like button if you found this strategy useful. Subscribe to catch all my future trading breakdowns and comment below. What trading concept do you want me to cover next? I read every single suggestion. Your engagement help me create better content for you. Thanks for being a part of this trading journey. That's all for now. May your next trade be green. Catch you in the next video.